Okay, so we're out in Medina, and I think my husband is pretty much Superman because he dug up all of these privets. So if you can see the roots, they're pretty big. And I counted everything that he dug up, and there were about 50 privets. 50 privets. So most of them he dug out all by hand. The last few, our daughter used the tractor and helped him get them out. We had tried the tractor a couple other times, and it just depends on how wet the ground is to get the tractor back here, and also just getting the chain around everything. So the ground can't be too soggy and it can't be too hard, and you have to do digging ahead of time. So yeah, 50 privets. So these will be going bye-bye unless anyone is interested. They can come and we'll set something up and you can grab them, but we are not interested in them anymore. Okay, God bless you guys.